Namaskar, hello and welcome back. In this particular video series, we are talking about decision making, right? Proper decision making. We have spoken about patience, we have spoken about approach. In today's session, in today's video, we'll be talking about understanding. Now, whenever we are going to take any particular decision of our life, we need to have a clear understanding of whatever is happening around, right? Many things are coming to us, many things are being given to us, many things we are trying to take from many people. So when that happens, so when that happens, right, it is very much required to have a clear understanding of whatever is happening, right? Whatever the information is coming to us, is it really justified? Is it really, completely checked? Is it really, is it the authentic information which is coming to me? That is something which we need to ask. Once we start asking questions to the information which is coming to us, information which is being served to us, right? So we then that is the moment when we start to get better understanding and better clarity about everything, right? So once we have better understanding, better clarity of anything and everything which is happening around, now your decision making becomes easy. Your process of taking decisions becomes easy, right? Why? Because your patience is absolutely there. That is the reason you are able to develop the approach. If your approach is good, right, you will have a better understanding of all the things which are happening around, right? Without being driven by something, without being forced by something, if you are using your common sense to understand, right, the things which are happening around, the information which is coming to you, the decisions that you are trying to take, why is the question. We need to ask this question, why we want to take that particular decision. So when we are able to answer these questions, only if our understanding is clear. If my understanding is not clear to take a particular decision, I'll not be able to take that decision, right? Even if at all I take that decision, I won't be able to justify that decision if I say for a longer run, it will not help me, right? So that is something which we need to work on. So we need to have patience, we need to also have a very good approach, and the third thing that we have discussed just now is more about having clear understanding, right? Anything and everything which is happening around us, we are taking many decisions in our life, right? From a very, very small decision to very big decisions of our life, right? If we have clear understanding, then why we want to take that, right? How we are going to take that, what is the outcome I am expecting out of that particular decision. If we have that clear understanding of all these questions, right? So we always need to keep on asking questions. So if we are having clear understanding of these questions, we are having better clarity, we are having better understanding. So once we have better understanding of everything and anything which is happening, definitely we can take very good decisions of our life, right? So I hope this has again, helped you. And three factors we have discussed so far: patience, approach, and today's understanding. So if he has given you something, please do mention that in comment box, right? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much and hope to see you all in the next video.